Hey guys, welcome back to Knowledge Life SolidWorks tutorial series. In this video, we are going to design a simple drill bit by using the SolidWorks sweep, extrude and extruded cut command. Already I have explained those commands. The link is given in the description box. If you want to study, you can go and you can study those videos also. So you can see this is the model that we are going to design in this video. Let's open a part first. Click on the new, click on the part and go for OK. Now I will choose here top plane and go for the sketch. I'll draw a circle, give the dimension which is 8 mm. Now I'll go for the come out from the sketch, go for the extrude and extrude it up to 100 mm. Now come out from the sketch. I will choose this face, click on this face and go for the sketch, and now you can do the convert entities of this edge. Now come out from the sketch and go to the helix and spiral. So here I will be giving the pitch which is 67 and number of revolution let it be 1. And I'll be starting it from 0 and just go with the OK. Now I'll go for the plane and I'll take a plane on this, and at this point I'll be taking, click on this. Now go for the sketch and select the plane and go for the sketch once again. Make it normal to the plane. Select the circle and draw a circle to this point, and I'll be giving the diameter of that circle which is 6.2. Now come out from the sketch, go for the feature here and I'll select here swept cut. So you can see the profile is already selected. Now select the path and click on the path and just go with the OK. Now you can see, now I can do here one thing, this plane and this helix I can hide it right now. Here you can see this portion is looking like this. I need to give here little fillet. Click on this. I'll be giving the fillet radius which is 3. Give the fillet radius 3 and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. I'll go for the pattern, click on the circular pattern, and I want to select this as reference and the features to be pattern. Here I'll be selecting this fillet and this cut. Let it be the number of instances 2 and equal spacing. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Now I will select here font plane and go for the sketch, make it normal to the plane. I'll draw here one center line which is like this and make it vertical. Select line, start from this point like this and draw a sketch which is like this. Now you can give here one dimension from here to here having the angle of 59 degree. If you want you can give this also, this dimension also. You can give it 3 mm. This is fine. So come out from the sketch, go for the feature called revolve cut and just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is looking like this. Once again I'll be selecting the front plane and I'll be going for the sketch, make it normal to the plane, and here I will draw a line which is like this. You can change it from here itself if you want to use this. I'll draw here one line like this and join it over here and you can convert this line into convert entities. Now I will go for the center line. I'll draw here one center line for the mirror purpose only, and just select this, click on the mirror entities and just do mirror about this. Go with the OK. Go for the dimensions, give the dimension from this to this, give the dimension here 6, and here I will be giving the dimension from here to here, this having the dimension 0.5. Give a radius here. I'll be giving here the radius which is 1. Now you can see here it's getting fully defined. Just do here one thing. I'll be going for the trim. Just trim this portion and this portion and give an overall length from here to here. Give the dimension which is 10. Now you can see your model is looking like this and it's getting fully defined also. So exit from the sketcher and go for the extruded cut. You can see here it's looking like this. You can go with this through all both and just go with the OK. Now you can select the extruded cut and go for the mirror here. You can go for the mirror about right plane. Just go with the OK. Now you can see here your model is getting ready. So guys, hope you have enjoyed this tutorials. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get such type of more videos on SolidWorks and other CAD software. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day and happy learning.